So in this question, they're asking to get two numbers from the user and subtract them. And if the difference between them is less than 0.001 or equal to 0.001, then we have to print it as close. If not, we have to print it not close. So first, let us get two inputs. N1 equal to float input, enter number. N2 equal to float input, enter num2. Now we have to find the difference. So A equal to n2 minus n1 to check the condition. If A is less than or equal to 0.001, then print close, else print not close. Let's see how this works. So let's say the first number is 2, the next number is 3. It should be not close, and now the first number is 2.001 and the second number is 2, so it should show it as close.